Hey guys, it's Kristen or Beatrice. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fun flashlight craft for my kids for $3 at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is overflowing with craft supplies right now with back to school, so all of these should be available at your Dollar Tree. Make sure to save that construction paper piece with the fish on it. We'll be using it later. I have a toddler working on her alphabet, so I pre-measured the sheet of paper to make sure the entire alphabet and numbers 1 through 10 would fit, but wherever your kids are with their learning, you can really write anything on the front of these. Also, if you mess up for any reason, you can grab some dry erase markers and use the darkest one you have to color over the permanent marker. Then just use a piece of fabric, like a towel or a paper towel, and wipe over it, and it completely disappears, which makes these reusable as well. Make sure when you are creating your flashlight or flashlights that you use a piece of cardstock. You need a paper that's heavy enough that it can rotate within the folder without bending. As you guys can tell with my flashlight drawing, I am not much of an artist, but luckily I have a 3-year-old who is very easily entertained. I also used her favorite colors to color the flashlight, which was a huge hit. Next, take a piece of your black construction paper and slip it into the folder. When the flashlight goes in, it will illuminate all of the different letters and numbers. My daughter absolutely loved playing with it, and we were quizzing her on different alphabet letters all weekend. You could also use stickers instead of permanent marker. We decided to draw a solar system, and I love that you can adapt this craft depending on the age of your kids. Maybe they are out of the alphabet phase but learning about different things, and this is just a fun way to get them doing some interactive learning. I also love the idea of writing them like a note and having them discover it using their flashlight. Leave me a comment letting me know what you plan to draw on your folder. As always, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.